Neuropathy symptoms can really be frustrating. But what if I tell you there is one tiny molecule that is already produced in your body known as nitric oxide, and this can be your superhero in nerve repair? Don't miss out on this very important information because this can be the breakthrough that you are looking for. Stay with me until the end because I will teach you unexpected yet effective ways on how to boost NO levels, and the last tip, boosting your nitric oxide level by as much as 20%. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy, teaching you practical health tips and home exercise programs that you can surely benefit from. There is a tiny molecule already produced in your body known as nitric oxide that is likened into like a VIP pass in your blood vessels. Well, that is because it actually dictates when to widen the blood vessels, and the reason why it is very important for proper blood circulation, especially in your heart. But actually, recent research have actually proven that this can significantly help persons who are battling with neuropathy symptoms. Your nerves are likened into information highways, connecting different parts of your body to your brain and vice versa. But whenever your nitric oxide levels are low, these messages can't get through clearly, giving you symptoms like numbness, pins and needle sensation, and even tingling sensation caused by nerve damage. When you put a conscious effort in increasing your nitric oxide levels naturally, you are actually doing yourself a favor simply by improving the communication between your nerves and also aiding actively in the repair process of damaged nerves itself. Over time, this can actually affect how your nerves function and decrease symptoms of nerve damage. But before I will tell you natural and effective ways to help you increase your nitric oxide level, it is very important to know what are the factors that can lower your NO levels. Stress. There is actually no problem with short-term stress. However, if you're currently facing long-term or chronic stress, these can actually result to cascade of processes allowing your body to release hormones like adrenaline and cortisol that can lower nitric oxide levels in your body. Diet. Sugar and processed foods can actually cause systemic inflammation in the body. This is the type of inflammation that we cannot see outside. However, what is going on inside the body is a cascade of processes affecting different cells and organs in the body, as well as lowering down your nitric oxide level. Inactivity or sedentary lifestyle. If you always find yourself sitting in one position for too long, that is actually an enemy of good blood circulation and would more or less warranty decreased nitric oxide levels. Now, here are unexpected yet effective and natural ways to help you boost nitric oxide levels naturally to help you with nerve repair, because recent studies have actually proven that NO can actually help significantly in lowering symptoms of nerve damage no matter what the cause. Fermented foods. Try to incorporate more kimchi in your diet. This had been proven to increase production of nitric oxide in the body because of its good bacteria. Laughter. This one is so easy, and you might have heard that laughter is the best medicine. Well, that is true literally, because recent studies have actually shown that every time you laugh, you get to encounter surge of nitric oxide. Moringa oleifera. This humble plant is actually boosting with magnesium, which has enzymes that converts nitrate into nitric oxide. What is also good in moringa is the fact that it directly works on your endothelium, or the inner lining of your blood vessel wall, which is responsible for nitric oxide production. If, for example, moringa is not readily available in your place, your other options to boost your nitric oxide level should include beets, celery, and cilantro. Cilantro is the one used usually in Thai cooking. You can include this in your main dish, or you can easily add it in your salad. Another absolute way to increase your nitric oxide level is exercise. Please commit at least 30 minutes, 4 to 5 times a week of moderate exercise. This is a sure and certain way to boost blood circulation and increase your nitric oxide level. Before we continue to the last tip, that will naturally increase your nitric oxide level by as much as 20%. At this point, I would like to ask a tiny favor from you to please click the like button below if you think one or any of our videos had been helpful to you. That is deeply, deeply appreciated. Now, the last technique that will surely boost your nitric oxide level by as much as 20% according to research, that is humming. Simple humming can actually increase your nitric oxide level, and it is very easy to do. To reap the benefits of humming, you can do 3 to 4 times consecutive humming. Then repeat it at least 3 to 4 times a day.
Or put your thumbs on your ears, like I mentioned, cover your eyes, and then inhale through the nose, and keep your mouth shut throughout the whole exercise. So,
This is a simple breathing technique that have been proven to help increase nitric oxide level. Take a conscious effort in incorporating this in your day-to-day activities. This can significantly and can be the breakthrough that you are looking for nerve repair. If you have reached the end of this video, I want to know you better. Please comment, where are you actually feeling the neuropathy? Please type hands, legs, or foot. That way, I can serve you better and I can tailor fit more videos to help you. If you have reached the end of this video, also, if you want to work on your diet and to choose foods that can support nerve repair, we have a video here about seeds. Do check on it. It will greatly help you. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you well. I wish you a good and happy, healthy life. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. I will see you on our next video.